Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another exclusive tutorial on this stage called the spike stitch, and these are some of the projects that I made with the spike stitch. It's so beautiful and easy to make, and this one is just to add details to your work. Okay, let's begin guys. First of all, you need a bigger hook for this project, because at the end you are going to get a heavy one, so you use a bigger hook for your project, and because you want it to be more flexible, right? So the next, what you do is you have your chain. Okay, so normally what I do is I make 7 multiples of 7, okay, plus 1 chains, but depending on your project, just make your chain as long as you want it to be. When you're done with your chain, the next step is that you single crochet in each of the stitch hole that you have. Okay, so you single crochet to the end of your work, you turn, you chain 1, then you turn and you do your single crochet again. So we are doing single crochet for 9 rows. Okay, so 9 rows of single crochet. Right, so when you get to this stage, you change your color, you chain 1, then you turn your work. Okay, so the next you are going to do that spike stitch, and what we do is the first row we do a single crochet in it, then the second row where we are going to change the color, we do a single crochet, then the next single crochet that we are going to do, we count downwards the second stitch hole. Okay, so downwards we chain and you do your single crochet. The next, the third row, you count downwards the third stitch hole downwards, then you do your single crochet through it. Then the next is the fourth one, so you count downwards to the 4th stitch hole, and in the 4th stitch hole that you have, you do your next single crochet. Okay, so you count downwards the 4th one, you do your single crochet through. Okay, make sure this single crochet that you are doing is not too tight and it's not too loose. Okay, so the next, the 5th one, you count downwards to the 5th stitch hole that you have. Okay, so the next stitch hole, the 5th one below it, you do your single crochet throughout it. Okay, you do your single crochet. Then the next one, you count to the 6th one, you do your single crochet downwards the 6th one. Okay, so this is the spike stitch. Okay, make sure you always straighten your work, make sure your work is not too tight, otherwise the previous work will crumple below the spike stitch, or if it's too loose, the top part will be too loose for you to continue. Okay, so the next, the 7th one, you count downwards to the 7th stitch hole. Okay, you count downwards to the 7th stitch hole, then you single crochet through. Right, so when you get to the 7th one, what you do is you repeat with the first one. So you do your first single crochet, the second you locate downwards the second stitch hole, then you do your single crochet through, then the third you locate the third stitch hole downwards, then you single crochet on the fourth. Okay, so you do this throughout just like you did previously on this. Yeah, so on the third you do your single crochet, on the fourth you locate downwards and you do your fourth single crochet. Okay, so as you keep on doing, you keep on straightening your work. Okay, so you keep on repeating till you get to the end of your work, and when you get to your end of your work, this is what you are having. The next what you do is you do your last single crochet that you have, then you chain one and you turn your work, and when you turn your work, this is what you are getting, and you do your single crochet through out. Okay, so you do single crochet into the spice stitches that you have created. Okay, you do single crochet to the end of your work, you turn your work and you do another single crochet. So we do single crochet for 7 rows of single crochet. Okay, so we are doing 7 rows of single crochet to the end of the work. Okay, just like we started previously where we did 7 rows of single crochet, but this time we are doing, where we started we did 9 rows of single crochet. This one we are doing single crochet for 7. Okay, so as you keep on making sure that your work is in line. Okay, So right, when you get to the 7th row of single crochet, this is what you are getting. Make sure that always your last stitch hole faces at the back, so that when you turn your work you can successfully do your spike stitch. Okay, so you change your color again to any color that you want. So with your new color, you start with your another spike stitch. Okay, so where you do your single crochet, the next you do another single crochet, 2 to the third, you locate the third stitch hole, you do your single crochet. Okay, so just like we did previously. Okay, make sure that they are in line with the previous spike stitch that you did. Okay, so we do 2 to the 7th row, then you repeat again. So guys, you do this till you get to the end of your work. Then when you get to the end of your work, you repeat with the pink yarn, then you come back to the blue and the yellow. Okay, so normally I use 3 colors for this work. Okay, when you use 3 or 4 colors for this work, but when you use more than 4 colors, it wouldn't look nice, and if you use less than 3 colors too, it wouldn't look nice. Okay, so these are work of spike stitch. Look at the back, okay, and the front part of your work. Okay, so you keep on repeating your colors. And guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and see you another time in my next video. Bye.